Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign into Qviple using your email and secure password. After signing in, open the Documents tab on the left side menu. Select Upload Documents to start the process and see the available options. The Upload area shows account folders, a drag-and-drop zone, and a Select Files button. Accepted file types include PDF, JPG, PNG, and DocX. If you do not see the Documents tab, check your user permissions or contact your administrator for access. Prepare each document before uploading to ensure fast processing and readability. Scan physical pages at 300 dpi for good readability and file compactness. Name files using last name document type date to make retrieval and sorting simple. If you have multiple pages, combine them into a single PDF to preserve order and reduce upload steps. Remove blank pages and verify text clarity so OCR can read the document. Keep file names short, avoid drag files into the upload zone, or click Select Files to browse your device. After files load, assign a destination folder to organize your documents correctly. Add tags and a concise description to improve search and filtering later. Review the preview to ensure pages appear in the correct order and orientation. Click Submit or Upload to start the transfer and wait for the progress indicator to complete. Look for an on-screen confirmation and a reference number after upload, then close the dialog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.